Hi, I'm Mike from Katana, and in this video I'll show you how to use the additional cost for purchase orders in Katana. When applying additional cost to a PO or an OPO, you provide extra information to better represent the accurate cost of acquired items in inventory reporting. You can add shipping, freight, custom items, or anything else related to importing goods from abroad and clearly see the landed cost per unit. These costs can be added either when creating a purchase order or after receiving the items. Now, if we're adding additional costs to a not received PO, let's go ahead and demo this. We're going to head over to the buy screen and we're going to pop open a purchase order. Now, one thing to note, all users that have permissions to view the cost can add or edit additional costs in Katana. And the additional cost field can be added inside the PO card, which you'll notice right here. By clicking it, it'll go ahead and add that line. Now, this can be changed. So for this example, I'm going to leave it at shipping. We'll put that at $100. I'm going to add a second line and we'll change that to customs. And we'll say that customs charged us $50. That information is captured here and also displayed here. Now, once this is received, this will be included in the calculation for your item. Now, another thing you can note is that when you have a PO that's already received, you can continue adding things. So let's say additional shipping fees came down the line. I'll add another shipping fee for $100. You'll notice that that's actually calculated in and continuing down the line. Now, all this information is going to be captured under your item, and you can view this in the stock screen and included in the calculation for it. Now, you're also able to export information for the additional costs. So I'm going to show you how to do that from inside of a PO and also externally. So your first option is going to be to print off a PDF. So inside of the PO, we'll hit the print option. We'll choose purchase order. And once this loads up, you'll notice that we have an additional cost field generated here on that PDF. And it's also calculated here. Now we're going to also go ahead and head back to the buy screen. You can also choose multiple POs and download this information to either an XLSX or a CSV. So we'll choose CSV in this case. We'll go ahead and download it. And that information will be displayed as its own column for landed costs inside of this Excel file. Last but not least is the integrations with QuickBooks Online. If your account is integrated with QuickBooks Online, the additional costs will automatically be sent to QuickBooks Online when creating a bill. To enable the sync, you need to reconnect the QuickBooks Online integration. No worries about data loss. That won't happen during this whole process. Now, of course, as far as customization goes, the same things can be done via our API. That covers our landed cost video for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.